Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to be doing a little H&M haul. So this is going to be a spring summer haul and I'm going to be trying on and showing you some beautiful new in pieces. They are all very versatile and they are going to see you all the way through spring summer and hopefully over the next few years, because a lot of the pieces that I have picked are quite classic and quite timeless and they're not really going to date, and because they are quite classic pieces and a lot of them are very understated, I'm going to be showing you how I style some of the pieces up with some beautiful jewellery from PDPAOLA. PDPAOLA is a beautiful jewellery brand. They are based in Barcelona, which I have actually just been to. I was in Barcelona last week. I did like a little European cruise, and guys, I'm actually going to do a little unboxing because guys, these pieces from PDPAOLA arrived in the most beautiful packaging. It would make the perfect present if you're buying someone a lovely gift. I actually have a discount code for PDPAOLA if you want to shop any of the pieces that I'm going to be wearing throughout this video. I will have all the pieces linked in the description along with the website and the discount code. The first piece is from their new Zodiac collection and it is a beautiful gold necklace, and I went for Capricorn because that is obviously my star sign and you can get it in every star sign. I'm going to show you how I actually style this piece throughout the video. I'm just going to show you how easy it is to elevate an outfit by adding these pieces to it. So the next thing I selected was this gorgeous ring, and again I just loved how elegant and simplistic this ring was. It's a lovely little gold band and again it's got some gorgeous sparkle in it. Very classic. It's a piece that just is never gonna go out of style. Guys, the next thing I'm just absolutely in love with, and it's these beautiful earrings. And the thing that I love about these earrings, 3 different earrings within one, because these little charms you can actually remove them. Absolutely love how versatile they are. So guys, the last piece is this beautiful chain necklace, and this really does just elevate an outfit, and again I'm going to show you how it does whenever I show you my outfits that I got from H&M in this video. This is a little bit more of a trendy piece, but I really like mixing quite timeless outfits with a trendy piece of jewellery, but the quality of this is just absolutely amazing, and I just know that it's a piece that I am going to just have forever. Guys, like I said, I have a discount code if you want to shop any of those pieces or have a browse for anything else you might like. The website will be linked in the description. So guys, the first outfit is actually, I'm kind of wearing half of it right now, and it's like a little cord. It's a little 2-piece, but I did buy these pieces separately. So all of this outfit is from H&M, the t-shirt, the blazer and the shorts. As I've said this before on my channel, I absolutely love a cord because it is so versatile. You can wear the shorts on your own, you can wear the blazer on your own. I've already worn this blazer so much since I've got it, and I know that I'm going to wear the shorts a lot more whenever we come into some warmer weather, as this is just a really chic, timeless outfit. As a cord, it looks so lovely together, and you can of course pair both of these pieces with different things. These shorts and this blazer are linen and they are super affordable, and I have paired this outfit with my beautiful Zodiac necklace from PDPAOLA and the earrings and the ring. And guys, you can just see how nicely that this jewellery just elevates this outfit. Without the jewellery, it just looks a little bit more bland, but just adding those finer details just really refine an outfit and just make it look so much more put together. So the next outfit is this beautiful little summery dress, and because I've just been in Europe and we've had highs of like 26 degrees, I actually got to wear this little dress and it just looked so cute. It has this little like natural like puff in it, which I really love, and this is just a really light dress. It is super comfortable on. It hardly feels like you're wearing anything, and I love that. Whenever you've got clothing that doesn't really feel like you're wearing clothing, it's one of those, but it is just so pretty, such an easy throw on, and you instantly just look really cute and summery. Now if it is a little bit colder, still now in spring, you could even throw the blazer on that I just showed you before over the top of it, and I have kept on the same jewellery that I had on the last outfit, the Zodiac PDPAOLA necklace, the earrings and the ring. And the gold just works so well with it, and the sparkle just adds a little bit of jazz to it. And guys, this dress was so affordable. I think it was only like 20 quid, and this is selling out like wildfire. Okay guys, the next outfit is another little cord, but I'm gonna just show you the trousers first. And it is these beautiful green trousers, and I feel like this is a little bit out there for me. It's very, very colourful, and it's almost like a neon green, but not like tacky neon green. I just feel like it looks so flattering. These trousers just fit me so well. They are the perfect length. They look so good around my bum. And now I'm just gonna throw the jacket on so you can see how cool this looks together. I feel like this is a little bit more of a trendy outfit, but it still looks like quite classy and quite simplistic. I feel like there's just something about a plain cord that just instantly just makes you look very put together. And I have styled it with my PDPAOLA chain necklace, and this is just an example of quite a classy, simplistic looking outfit, but pairing it with a little bit more of a trendy accessory. I just feel like this piece of jewellery just really sets us off, and I love the mixture of silver and gold. I love mixing silver and gold jewellery together. I know that some people don't like to do that, but I have done that for years, and I just feel like it works really, really well. So guys, the next outfit from H&M is this beautiful little LBD. You just cannot go wrong with a little black dress, and this is the perfect one because it is super versatile. It's a dress that you can wear like I'm showing here, and it looks quite dressy, a little bit sexy, quite chic, understated, but it's also a dress that you could wear over your bikini at the beach. And that's why I love it, because it is versatile, and I just love pieces that you can wear in lots of different ways. Linen material, so it's really comfortable, it's really light, but with the long sleeve it gives you a little bit of warmth. So I've been able to wear it now throughout spring, and I've actually been pairing it with some knee-high black boots, but then during the summer I will wear it with my little black Birkenstocks like I'm showing you here. Kept on the chain necklace, I've kept on the little ring, and I've kept on the earrings, but I have removed the charm that has the little diamonds in it, so it is just the plain gold charm. Yeah, again, just a great example of how much these accessories elevate this dress, because I've actually already worn this dress without any accessories, and I was like, there's just something missing. It looks a little bit bland. And then I styled it with these pieces on today's video, and I was like, why didn't I wear these pieces with it? It makes it look so much nicer and so much more expensive, because this is a cheap dress. It was only, I think, like 15-20 quid, but pairing it with some beautiful jewellery just makes it look so much more expensive. So guys, I feel like I've saved the best for last. And again, another versatile piece. You're probably sick of hearing me say this, but it is this gorgeous satiny silk dress. And the reason why this is perfect is because you could wear this to a wedding, you could wear this to the beach, you could wear this to dinner. But the important thing to know about this dress is it is a little bit see-through, not completely see-through, just a little bit. So I'm actually wearing a nude G-string with this dress, and you probably can't see it, so I've gotten away with that. But I'm not wearing a bra with it, and you kind of can see my nipples a little bit, but like personally, like I don't mind that. I'm all about like freeing the nip. But if you are about that, then you would probably need to get some sort of bra that kind of stuck on at the front. And the showstopper is at the back. Whenever you turn around to the back, I love that. You see from the front, you think, oh, it looks really elegant and really simple. And then you turn around to the back, and it has that gorgeous halter neck tie hanging down your back. It has an open back, and then it has a gorgeous slit up the back of the leg, and it just looks super sexy. I've already wore this because, like I said, I've just done a trip around Europe. I went on a little cruise, and I wore it on the captain's night where everyone had to wear black tie, and I got so many compliments on this dress. People were just like, that dress is so beautiful. And I bet none of them would have guessed that it was from H&M. Again, I have just elevated this outfit, but I've kept the accessories really simple. So I have kept my PDPAOLA ring on, and then I've kept the earrings on, but I've removed both of the charms, so it just looks like a little double hoop. And guys, I just can't get over that this is one pair of earrings, but it's like I have like 3 pair of earrings. Like, it's so cool. cool. So guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video. I will have everything linked in the description, all the H&M pieces that I've shown you and all my jewellery pieces from PDPAOLA along with my discount code. All the links will be in the description if you want to shop anything. Again, just for reference, I'm 5'7.5" and I'm a dress size UK 8 to 10. Most of the sizes that I have got in all the pieces that I've just shown you is size small. The only thing, in fact everything's in size small, the only thing that is in size medium is this blazer. Everything else I've shown you I bought in size small, just for reference. So if you enjoyed this, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Please comment below in the description to let me know your favorite piece. I absolutely love when you guys do that. And hit subscribe. I will have lots more videos coming. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you next time.